Former Minister of Justice Alan Shatter says he has been the target of a vicious and anti-Semitic smear campaign since Social Democrats Justice spokesman Gary Gannon put up an Instagram post that linked him with Jeffrey Epstein. Shatter, who was Fine Gael's Minister of Justice from March 2011 to May 2014, said he has written twice to Gannon and his Social Democrats leader Holly Cairns last week, seeking the withdrawal of false claims that he met with Epstein while he was Minister of Justice. It is understood that Shatter is considering taking a defamation action against Gannon, who is a TD for Dublin Central. On foot of the latest tranche of Epstein files released by the US Department of Justice last week, a number of false claims were made on social media that Epstein met with Shatter. This appears to be based on a misreading of a travel itinerary for former US Attorney General Eric Holder. In 2011, Holder travelled to meet with Shatter and then Secretary General of his department Brian Purcell on a trip to Europe. On his Instagram account, Gannon posted a screenshot of Holder's travel itinerary which underlined an entry for his meeting with Shatter in the Department of Justice. Gannon's post claimed the document was released as part of the Epstein files and that it recorded a meeting with Shatter and Purcell. He said the release of the document has led to understandable public commentary and concern. This weekend, Mr Shatter said he had never met or had any dealings with Jeffrey Epstein, the convicted paedophile and financier whose links with rich and powerful people, including President Donald Trump and Britain's Prince Andrew, is continuing to cause shockwaves. Mr Shatter said that Gary Gannon's incendiary social media post incited a tsunami of abuse, anti-Semitic attacks, and demands that he be thrown out of the country or investigated by the Gardaí or put on trial. He said he found it difficult to understand how neither Mr Gannon or Holly Cairns, the Social Democrats leader, had failed to publicly clarify matters since he wrote to them last Tuesday. You can follow this story and more on the Irish Independent.